Hello, my name's Bob Holmes, and I've got about 40 years experience in brick making and all the process of what goes into a brick sale. 3 or 4 years ago, I started this academy at the request of one of my brick manufacturers that needed somewhere to send new hired brick salesmen, and so we built some samples outside. We've got things to show guys on how a brick wall is constructed. All of the things that should go right in a brick wall that sometimes go wrong, and things that can happen to brick walls. The agenda includes water repellents, brick cleaners, restoration anchors, concrete floor products, and it also includes some air and water barrier training. Most of this is all going to be hands-on. Small classes, 12 to 15 people. If you're interested, and I hope you are, all we need is about 30 days notice. Contact your Proseco regional manager or your Proseco rep if you're interested in coming, and they'll work out the arrangements. I believe that's all, but we'd like to see you. Come see us if you can. Thanks.